to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Mama Atara, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always clicking back to my videos. So guys, welcome to today's video. Woke up today. I meant to wake up like really early, but I couldn't. But I was actually it was procrastination, because around 6 I was like, let me just go. So I went to Marikiti today and I bought some veggies, and guys, I thought it was expensive. No, I thought it was cheap, but guys, let me tell you, nilikuwa tu I mean, I don't know hata kama nimegongwa or what, but I guess maybe it's the quality of the things I've bought. So let's see. So I've bought like some things and I'd like to share them with you. And yeah, karibu to today's video. So I got some groceries from Marikiti, and I want to also like arrange my fridge. It's like the beginning of the week, and I just want to make sure everything is set. Honestly, on Mondays are usually like kitchen days, so I just need to make sure the kitchen is set, everything is done, and we got this week going. Yeah, so because everything is everywhere, I think I'll just wash the vegetables and the fruits, and then I'll show you. So I'll show you exactly what I got. If I remember the prices, I'll let you know, because they've told me things and it was so many things and I can't remember all of them. So I'll wash them and then I'll show you what I've got, and then we'll arrange my fridge. So yeah, once we are done with everything. So welcome to the vlog. So also guys, before I continue, let me show you something else that I got. So I went to the supermarket to get like some storage boxes, so some storage containers, yeah, so that I can put my groceries in the fridge. And while I was at the supermarket, I got these. It's a 7-piece bake set. It's stoneware. Yeah, it's stoneware. And let me tell you guys, it was 1,500. So I think originally it usually cost like 2,000. So I got it for 1,500. Let me show you. Let me unbox first and then I show you. So guys, I am done unboxing, and this yeah. So as I was telling you guys, let me show you. This was the original price, 1995, but I've gotten it for 1,564. Yeah, so it was on offer. So we have these 4 bakeware, small round ones. We have this oval one. It's so cute, guys. It's so cute. Oh my god. Then we have this rectangle one. It's so good, so nice. And we have this round one, but it has like madoido. Yeah, so cute, right guys? So cute. I bought it in Naivas Mountain Mall. Yeah, I don't know if there's more like another Naivas, I don't know, and I don't know if they have an offer in other Naivas supermarkets, but where I bought the Mountain Mall one, this was the only one left. This was the only piece left. So yeah.
Giving me wind and rain. whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
So guys, as you've seen, I've cleaned all the fruits and veggies. There's still like onions here, there's like greens. I'll show you that later, but first I wanted to show you the spread. Have you seen the spread? Yeah, this is the whole spread and it looks so good. Looks so good. Healthy living, healthy living. So guys, I'll take you through very fast. So these passion fruits are meant for juices. That's why they look like this. These ones were 100 bob per kilo. These ones were 120 bob per kilo. These are also passion fruits. I got this coriander or dania for three for 20 shillings, and then I got for 60 bob. At home we usually buy one for 10 bob, so that was good. This size of apples was going for 20 shillings, so I bought 10, so that's 200. These mangoes were going for 20 shillings per mango. I bought 5, so we've already eaten one, or rather Tara has. Then I got this 2 pineapples. One pineapple was going for, I don't know, 100 or 120. 100 or 120. I think 120. So I bought these 2 for 240. Then I got these oranges for 1 kg for 100 bob. So I got this for 100 bob. I got this mkebe for Marikiti, or rather bondeka. So I got these ones for 70 bob. They had a tin, 70 bob. These ones were the most expensive, honestly. I bought these tomatoes for like 150. Yeah, 150 shillings per kg. Then these ones were going for, I bought for 350. Yeah, I bought these ones were 350. And then I got some lime and some lemon. These ones I bought because I want to add them in my water, like when I'm waking up. That's what I want to be drinking, either lemon or lime. I love limes. But yeah, I bought 1 kg of lime is 100 bob or 80. This for lemons, 1 kg was 70 bob. This one was 100. Yeah. Then carrots, 150 per 1 kg. I bought 1 kg. Then I got these cherry tomatoes for 100 bob. They're going for 100 bob. Then I got some ho-hos, or the yellow ones and the red ones. They're going for 150 per kg, so I mixed them. So they were all 150. Then I got zucchini or courgettes. I got them for 60 bob per kilo. I got 1 kg. And I also got some cucumbers. They're going for 60 bob per kg, so I got that. I also got ho-hos for 60 bob per kg, so I got 1 kg. Then I got turmeric. I just got for 100 bob. Then these ones were 60 bob per kg, so yeah, that's that. I'll show you the rest of the items after putting this in the fridge, because like I need to clear this space. So first thing we want to do is put these tomatoes in one of the food containers. So we're gonna line this with kitchen towel, and then we're gonna put this inside. Next up is courgette butterfly.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
Next up, cucumbers.
Baby, can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. Just clean your body and mind. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
As for these ones are not gonna go to the fridge. We're just gonna have them. So take up. So guys, let me show you what's behind me. Greens! These are my greens and I want to blanch them. Oh, sorry. So these are the greens that I bought. We have spinach, cherere, skuma is down here, and managu. Yeah, so guys, I want to blanch them. Okay, guys. Oh, and cabbage. Guys, yani, it's like I've been doing this the whole day because work happened and then babies happened, and this is why I I get stressed. This is where I get stressed and overwhelmed. Because right now I'm even making dinner and I feel so like there's so much I'm doing at once, and that's I'm not even like doing it by myself. Like I even asked my nanny. She's the one who's helped me clean these greens. She's the one who's helped me clean these greens. Also like peeled these carrots for me. So actually I wanted to show you how I am storing them in the fridge. So we just cut and then we put them in water. Anyway guys, I had to leave again. So before I show you how I'm going to store these, I bought also onions. I bought red onions and white onions, and I also bought potatoes. The potatoes I bought, guys, it's so expensive. Anyway, I bought potatoes for 400 bob. Then I got this. Actually was surprisingly very cheap, as in compared to what I thought, like my expectations and the actual difference, because 1 kg was going for 60 or 80 bob. Yeah, I can't remember exactly. I'm trying to remember how much change I got, but it was below 100 bob. So weird. And I used to think these ones are expensive. These are the onions that I got, the red onions I got, honestly guys. So one like this was going for 150, and I got two for 300. They say this ones stay longer. I don't know how that true is, we'll see. But yeah, these are the onions. I also got what is this called? Garlic. So I got garlic for, this is half kg. This is the size inside. So this one was going for 150. 1 kilo is 300 bob. Yeah, let's now panga these things. Oh my goodness.
So guys, the first thing with the greens is just to wash them, and then as you're washing them, maybe you would be boiling water at the same time, so that you just add in the hot water in the pan or the pot that you're using, and then you put in your greens so that you can blanch them like so. And then once they're just for like 20 seconds to 30 seconds, and then once they turn this green, this nice green, you put them in cold water, very cold water. If you have ice, just add ice. Then you because my water wasn't that cold, I transferred the greens to like another cold water. So, and then they're ready to be cut or chopped. Mine, honestly, I just chopped, guys. I can't even show you how chopped they looked. They were so big, but I promise next time I'll cut them into small pieces. So guys, I've decided I show you how I cut these greens, and let me tell you, I'm just going to blame the knife. The knife wasn't very sharp, and that's why I chopped the greens instead of cutting them into smaller pieces. As for my dania, I just dabbed them with a towel, and then I put them in my container like the rest of the other veggies.
Welcome back to today's video, and I already started this vlog, but this is like a few days, honestly guys. That day when I was arranging the fridge and everything, as it was late, I was cooking, I was balancing so many things, I got overwhelmed. I decided I'll just do this another time, and today's the day. So I want to take you through my fridge and how I arranged everything. So come to my fridge. I don't have a big fridge. This is the Samsung one door. I don't remember how many kgs this is, but I used to have like the tiny fridge, and then I bought this one, and I'm seeing myself buying another one because we are now a big family and I'm purchasing many things, so there are things even that didn't fit here. So let me show you what's in. So that's a fridge. I'm gonna have to cut myself so that you are able to see. So that's how the fridge is looking. So here we have Atara's yogurt. I think I'll just start with the door. We have Atara's yogurt. Also, I've just figured I just do from the back camera, use the back camera. Anyway, so this is Atara's yogurt that she'll have as a snack. We have some butter here and cheese. These ones didn't fit in there, so we have the green peppers and the red peppers and the yellow peppers. Then this is my yogurt, and I have the Delamere vanilla with pods. So yeah, this is Delamere premium yogurt with vanilla pods. Then we have juice that will kill this family. Then these are courgettes. They didn't fit inside there, so I wrapped them with this cling film. We have Heinz yellow mustard, and we have this is what? This is mayo. Yeah. So onto our fridge. Let me show you. So that's how the fridge is looking with some things popping up. Oh yeah, so that's how the fridge is looking. So I don't know, let me show you first what I've placed where, so that once I remove I'll show you. But you've already seen how I arranged them in the containers. So these are coriander or dania. So these ones, honestly guys, yesterday I used one and it was like 2 days after I had bought them, and they were fresh. So let's see how long these ones will last. This is like rice that remained yesterday and ndengu from yesterday. And then we have mangoes here. We have minji that was left over the other day. We're supposed to cook them actually. Then here we have the greens, and I'm supposed to remove one from here, so the rest are inside. Can't show you because yeah. Then this compartment we have tomatoes also. I used one yesterday and it was really good. I haven't used oranges from here. I've used the ones on the counter because they didn't fit inside here, as you can see. Also, I got carrots from here yesterday and they were really good. Down here we have the green peppers, and yeah, the green peppers here. And then we have passion fruits there. I'm supposed to make some, sorry, let me close this one first. As I was saying, the passion fruits inside there, we are supposed to use them for juice, and my blender is it's broken or something, so I'm supposed to take it back to hot point so that I can make the juices. I think this is also rice from yesterday. Then inside here we have leftover food, but inside here this one, we have the courgettes, and then here we have the cucumbers, and then we have cherry tomatoes. Yeah, so let me return that. Then over here we have, so we have the turmeric and ginger. I've put them together. Then we have, these are lemons and these are limes. No, these ones are passion fruits also. The lemons and limes are together. Yeah, the lemons and limes are together. Then we have some apples down here. Yeah, so apples, lemons and lime, passion fruit, and these ones are ginger and turmeric. As you can see, guys, my fridge is so full, but I like it full like this with fruit and all, so that at the end of the day I know we are having like healthy foods and meals. Also, guys, yesterday we got like some daga. We are supposed to have this today for dinner. That's why I need to get like the greens from the freezer section. Anyway, so we have the white onions here. I'm supposed to remove these cloves of garlic so that I can store them in the fridge, because they're many and I don't want them to get bad. Also, we have our onions there, and we have our potatoes there. These potatoes are really nice. Yeah. Then here on the counter we have some oranges. These are the oranges left here. Then we have these pineapples. I'm supposed to cut these pineapples today or tomorrow. Then I'll cut them into pieces, and then I put them in the freezer so that they can be used for juices. Also, this one, I don't know, we're just gonna have it from here because I really don't know how to store this, but it's fine. We can still, or rather I'll see what I can do. I had something in mind. So this is a mango I removed from the fridge so that I can have today. Yeah, that's it for this grocery haul video. I hope you enjoyed it. I think if any of these ways of storing food in the fridge works, I'll let you know. So I'll do a different video where I show you how to store your veggies and fruits so that they stay for longer. So this is like a trial one, and then when I get like something that's sure bet, I'm gonna do like a video for that, because honestly, when you have kids, you just need to buy things in bulk so that you don't have to keep going to the market all the time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, comment and share. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification so that you're notified every time I put up a new video. Till next time, guys, bye.